Hey there, Scott Wheeler here, and I'm super excited. I've got some really awesome news. Obviously, the best news is that Jesus is coming soon, and as the church, we're going to be caught away to be with the Lord. But we have just printed our first training manual for Gospel for Africa, and we've called it The Church on the Rock. And it's about building the church the way the apostles did in the book of Acts. And we have translated this book into 6 different languages to cover the continent of Africa. Now, this booklet will be used as a training manual for church leaders and church planters throughout Africa. And so we'll be training every leader who is associated with us through this manual, so that those leaders can build the church exactly as the apostles did, so that we ensure the church is built upon the one and true foundation, who is Jesus Christ. Those church leaders will then train others with this same manual. So we printed these initially in English, and we are hoping to raise sufficient funds to be able to print in the other languages. We need a lot of these booklets, particularly in French and in Swahili, which is the bulk of the African continent. We'll be selling these books to recoup costs so that we can reprint, but obviously we'll be giving many of these away, particularly up in Africa where people are very poor and may not be able to afford these books. These books are being sold for 50 South African Rand, which really equates to not even $4 US. So very cheap to be able to print and distribute these books. So what we're asking today is, if you have in your heart to be able to support church leaders and church planters in Africa, please support the distribution of these training manuals. If you have it on your heart just to make a donation towards the printing of these manuals, which we're wanting to print the French and the Swahili as soon as we can, then please, I'm going to put the details up. Get hold of us so that you can be a part of making sure that the church that has been established in these last days is a church that is guaranteed to stand the challenges that are coming. If the church is not built on the rock, we know the account. The church is not going to stand. And so we're wanting to ensure solid churches grounded upon the true foundation of Jesus Christ throughout the whole continent of Africa in these last days.